Alright, now I went over with you guys how to eat snow. If you had to eat it, you take the top layer off, grab that layer underneath, a little bit at a time, let it melt in your mouth for a few minutes. Not a few minutes, 20 seconds. And that'll warm it up and then swallow it. You'll be fine. It's during the day. I'm not going to cool my core down so much that, I go hypothermic. Don't do it before night is all. And don't take large amounts. But if you had a container with you, like this, you'd simply just grab some of this snow, good white, make sure it's good and white, throw it in. But the key is, you're going to want to fill this up. You want to take, it might look like it's full. Throw this snow in, throw a bunch in. Because snow, what it does is when it melts, it's going to come all the way down and you're only going to have this much water. So to get the most out of it, just take your hand, pack that down. See, now I got that, I'm right back to square one. Okay, so I want to just keep filling this thing up, and I know how heavy my bottle is when I fill it up with water, and I can tell it's not there. So I'm going to keep doing this, packing it down, gives me a bunch more room in there. Okay, so if you ever get snow, and you only find there's not that much snow up here, there's these little patches here and there, and we want to keep going. So if I find a patch of snow, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to get as much as I can, because there's no water around here other than this. The creek's probably a mile behind us that way. We don't want to have to go all the way back down there to get water. Or if you were in a situation where you had no creek and this is all you had was a little patch like this, you stop and you pack this thing full. Okay? Bang the bottom of your cup on you until that is to the brim and it won't go down anymore. So that's just a little snow gathering tip I'm going to show you. And that's what you're going to get right there. All that snow's finally melted, and we got about 3/4 full. And I had that thing packed as full as I could. So that's why you want to get it as full as you can with snow, because you're going to not have as much once it starts to boil off. But there you have it.